Testing rough diamonds at home can be easier than many people think. Although professional gemological equipment provides the most accurate results, several simple, safe, and practical methods can help you identify whether your rough stone might be a real diamond. Here are the most reliable home tests you can perform using tools you already have. Number 1. The hardness scratch test. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth, 10 on the Mohs scale. How to do it? Try scratching glass with the stone. A real diamond will scratch glass easily without being damaged. Important, this test should be done carefully to avoid damaging other surfaces. Number 2. The fog test, breath test. Diamonds disperse heat very quickly. How to do it? Breathe on the stone until it fogs. A real diamond will clear up in less than 1 second. Fake stones stay foggy for 2 to 5 seconds. 3. Light reflection test. Real diamonds reflect light in a sharp, intense way. How to test? Place the stone under a flashlight. A real diamond gives strong white reflections in darker contrasting areas. Fake stones often look too shiny or glass-like with rainbow colours only. 4. The water float test. Diamonds are dense and heavy. Steps. Drop the stone into a cup of water. A real diamond usually sinks immediately. Many fakes, like glass, may float or sink slowly. Number 5. The heat test. Diamonds resist sudden temperature changes. How to test? Heat the stone with a lighter for 20 to 30 seconds. Drop it into cold water. A real diamond will not crack, but many crystal fakes will shatter due to thermal shock. Warning: be very careful and do not touch the hot stone. Avoid using this test on valuables unless necessary. 6. Testing with a magnet. Most diamonds are not magnetic, but some metallic fakes are. How to test? Bring a strong magnet close to the stone. If the stone reacts to the magnet, it is not a diamond, but possibly an iron-rich mineral. 7. The newspaper or reading test. This test works when the stone has a transparent face. How to test? Place the stone over printed text. A real diamond will distort the letters due to its refractive index. If you can read the letters clearly, it is likely not a diamond. 8. UV light test. Optional. Many diamonds fluoresce blue under UV light. Although not a definitive test, strong blue glow is a common sign of natural diamonds. Final advice. These home tests can help you understand whether your rough stone might be real, but none of them replaces testing by a professional gemologist or a diamond tester machine. If the stone passes several of these methods, you may have a real rough diamond.